Hey loves, I hope all has been going well with you. Honestly, it got really busy for me, and obviously other things take precedence sometimes, so wasn't able to film, but I do have something to share with you. I've actually had this mani done for some time, but I never did post it, and I never did get a chance to edit the tutorial, so here we are with this. I actually not too sure how I feel about it. I like it, but then I don't like it, so I don't know. You can tell me how you feel about it to see how this look came about. Keep on watching. For the base of this nail art, I'll be going in and using Essie Crimson Style Hunter, which is a vivid carmine cream, and I absolutely adore this color, and the coverage was just amazing. Usually I would go in and use my Girly Bits Border Patrol Latex Barrier, but I decided I'll give these BeautyBigBang protectors a try. They are a bit difficult to use, but once you kind of get the hang of it, they make everything a lot easier. They do help with cleanup like any latex barrier, so if you prefer the ones that come in the bottle, or you prefer to use those, you can give those a try. I'll also be going in and using my ToSave JQ49 stamping plate, along with my clear jelly stamper Big Bling and Mundo de Unas stamping gold polish. So here's where I was talking about it works just like a latex barrier. And to help the gems that I'll be using adhere to my nail, I'll be going in and applying a thin coat of American Classics Yellow Stopper. I'll also be going in and using these BeautyBigBang nail gems. They're super pretty, and they come in various sizes, and there are quite a few in the container, which you'll get plenty of uses out of them. Next, I'll be going in using the toothpick, which will help me to pick up and place the gems in the area which I want them. And lastly, I'll be going in and applying my final coat of Glisten and Glow's top coat to help seal everything in place. And here we have the final look. I know at the beginning of the video I did say that I wasn't sure about how I felt about them, but looking at them again now, I'm like, I actually do like them a lot more than I thought at the beginning. But as always, you guys are feel free to let me know what your thoughts are, and leave any questions and or comments, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. As always, products used will be listed down below, and stay glamorous.